How to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. And as you're logged into your account, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy and select on Settings directly. As you do that, it will land us to a new page where you can simply see the different options. So tap on See More in Account Center. Scroll down again and here you can see the different options over here. So if you want to have your two-factor authentication, simply go back and then tap on Password and Security. Here you can see the option of two-factor authentication. So tap on it and you can simply select on your profile, and as you do that, it will land us to a new page where you can simply see that it will send you a code on your preferred email that you have associated over here. You simply have to enter the code and you'll be able to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.